Morning guys, and thanks once again for clicking through in the ad. For this video here we have a Lexus CT200 2015 and has literally just arrived in. That's how clean it is. It hasn't been washed yet down here. Came from Lexus, north of Ireland. She's a 2015 with 89,000 miles. We're in the process of registering it. If you want to know, it's an advanced model, so she's the lovely suede interior. Chrome V in the front there, the LEDs. Lovely car. Here you go. Beige roof, nice and clean. And then, as you expect, you have the luxury feel in the inside here. So, leather stitched steering wheel. There's the mileage there, 89, and folding mirrors for parking. Reverse sensors, and this car has, as you can see, heated seats, cruise and all the rest of it. So look, as I say, it has literally just arrived in. So we have two of them now. We have a 2018 and a 2015. So give us a ring. Nick Jones here, First Choice Autos. Talk to you soon. Bye now.